Welcome to Global Academy. This video is the second in our series showing how our online classes work. In this video, you're going to learn everything you need to know about our curriculum. Our curriculum is licensed from a nonprofit vendor and taught by Gilbert Public Schools teachers. Our courses are accredited and many are accepted by the NCAA and the Arizona Board of Regents for Arizona University entry. We're proud to offer over 160 courses, which allow students to recover credits and get ahead. We offer a full range of courses to get a student through junior high and through high school graduation. Let's take a look at what you'll see when you begin your coursework. When you log into your course for the first time, you'll see that all of your lessons are located in folders. Within each folder, you'll see that lessons are alternated by their assignments. In this photo, for example, you can see that Lesson 3.06, Mutations, has a blank icon indicating that that's where the lesson content lives. After completing 3.06, you would jump to its assignment, which is indicated by a quiz icon. You can see that there are different types of assignments throughout the course. One assignment you'll see in just about every module is a discussion-based assessment. This is an opportunity for you to have a conversation about your learning with your teacher. This will take place either orally or in writing. When you're ready for your discussion-based assessment, just email your teacher and ask for the questions and instructions. At the end of each module is also an exam. As you begin your coursework, you'll begin to see that green check marks appear on assignments and lessons. If a green check mark is on a lesson, that indicates that you've read through all the pages of that lesson. If the green check mark is on an assignment, that means that you've already completed the assignment. The green check marks help you keep track of where you're at in the course. Let's jump into a lesson. I've chosen a lesson on the properties of water. The lesson formats are going to look pretty much the same throughout all of our courses. I want to draw your attention to the top left corner of this picture, where you'll find a list of tools that are available in our courses. The notes page is a spot for you to keep any notes that you'd like to save for later. The second tool is the glossary, which is a great resource because it has a list of all the most important vocabulary terms in the course as well as their definitions. If you need to print your lesson, there's a print function that will format it for you. Lastly, there's a toolkit which will take you to a series of review lessons to help you be more successful in your course. Over in the top right corner, you'll see the navigation buttons. You can either jump directly to a page by clicking the down arrow next to one of 5, or you can move from page to page pressing the next and the back buttons. But don't forget to look closely at all of the materials on the page. Each lesson comes packed with videos, readings, and interactive activities to help you learn the course content. On the last page of every lesson is the assignment that goes with the lesson you're working on. You'll notice that for this assignment, it's asking you to create a lab report, and the template for the lab report is linked in purple in the very last paragraph near the bottom. Whenever your assignment calls for a template, be sure to look carefully for a linked document that you can download and then put into Google Docs as you do your work. As you reach the end of your course, you'll find that it's time to take the final exam, which is often called the segment exam in our courses. When you have completed all of the other assignments in the course, you'll complete the Request Final Exam Clearance assignment, which will send a note to your teacher asking them to give you permission to take the segment exam. Once you receive clearance from your teacher, you'll be ready to take the segment exam. You'll see that there's a lesson for this exam, which often contains a study guide and important concepts to remember going into the final. Remember that you must pass your final exam in order to receive credit for the course. If you don't pass on the first try, you are allowed one additional try. Once you've completed your final exam, you'll need to request your final course grade. You'll click the final course grade assignment underneath the final exam. Then you'll fill out the form, and that will send a note to your teacher to submit your final grade. Thanks again for tuning in to our video. Keep an eye out for the next video in our series, which will show you how to use Buzz, which is our content platform. We'll show you how to turn in assignments, keep track of your grade, and communicate with your teacher. We'll also have a video coming up for parents on how to sign up for the parent portal and use it effectively. See you soon.